Welcome back to another video. Today we have a huge savings on garage and shop tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got heavy duty 3-ton low profile steel floor jack, $99.99. Me personally, I do have a Daytona version of this thing, and let me tell you, that's a really nice jack. It's just helps out so much. It makes the job way easier. So heavy duty 3-ton low, or this is the regular steel floor jack, $89.99. Definitely worth the $10. You actually lift higher than this one, and it is slimmer. So if you have a low profile, a lowered car, this is gonna work great for you. You got the Daytona jacks. You got what is this? This is, I guess this is the regular. Doesn't your choice of colors here. It doesn't really say what each one is. But this one's it looks like the regular one. This one looks like a low profile, and this one looks like the long reach, and this one looks like the 4-ton, the heavy duty one. So pretty much you got they are on sale. If you want to get the best prices on these, definitely wait for a parking lot sale. We just had a parking lot sale not too long, or last weekend, and I believe this one was on sale and this one. So and some of these too. So always make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to this channel to get the latest news and the parking lot sale. If you guys want to look at that parking lot sale, I do have a video when I went to the store. So be sure to check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, put it a search on YouTube, Toolhead 147 March parking lot sale, and you guys will see that video. All right, we got the coupon here, guys. Definitely, see if I can get it bigger for you guys. All right. So we got ideal for low profile cars, large trucks, SUVs built for the professional. Low profile construction, perfect lowered and low clearance, heavy duty, large trucks and SUVs lifts, capacity 4 tons, dual parallel pumps, lifts quickly and easily with fewer strokes. $20 off any Daytona floor jack. So pretty much any of these jacks, you got coupon code 20060131. So that is definitely a great coupon with any of these jacks. It'll drop down the price. And then you have the 3-ton Super Duty steel floor jack, $209.99. This is basically the Snap-on, the copy of the Snap-on. So it's basically the same jack for a much lower price. I heard, as Harbor Freight or Eric told us that he actually, well, not he, but they make this jack basically from the same factory as the Snap-on one. So $209.99 for that with the $20 off. Obviously, you get more discount there. You got the OBD2 code reader with ABS ZR11 $109.99, and then you got the ZR13 $149.99, and then you have the CR15, which is the better one, $269.99. Me personally, I do have the cheaper, the CR14 or no wait, ZR4. It's a smaller one. It works. I mean, it's a really basic unit, but it works. You got the automatic battery float charger, $599. You got the battery charger maintainer, 4 amp high frequency, $27.99. Usually this goes on sale, cheaper than that. 6 12-volt automatic battery charger, $114.99. You got the 16 feet, 6 gauge heavy duty jumper cables, $14.99. 4-in-1 portable power pack, $69.99. You got the lithium ion jumpstart and power pack, $59.99. This is a great item, guys. I did start a V8 with this, a Chevy 5.3 V8. If you guys want to look at that video, like I said, go to just search Toolhead 147 jump starter and power pack, or Viking, and my video should pop up. It does say on the video starting a V8 with this unit there. You got oversized low profile creeper, $19.99. 1,500 pound capacity vehicle dollies, $39.99. You got the Daytona's 5,000 pound max vehicle weight ultra mobile self-loading dolly. So it's basically the same thing, but a much finer, a much better upgraded version of this. So $99.99 each. This is, I believe, this is for a pair, and this is each. So you're basically spending $200 for 2 of those. So 1,000 pound capacity engine stand, $49.99. Get the 1 ton capacity foldable shop crane, $149.99. You get the 1 ton capacity telescopic gantry crane, $5.99. Guys, these are great. 7mm heavy duty. These are great for brake jobs, oil changes. Even if you're a professional, you can even use these. If you're a professional, however, if you're gonna be using them all day, I recommend you guys go with the 9mm. But at 7mm, you guys, that should be going good right there. So towels, tube old towels, heavy duty cleaning wipes, $5.99. You got the disposable blue shop towels, $1.99. 14 by 13 shop towels, pack of 50, $8.99. You got the 4 drawer tech cart, $139. This is a great price, guys. For this 4 drawer, this is definitely a great price. Definitely recommend this for you guys. You got the 30-inch 5 drawer, $199.99. Usually we see this for $184.99 on the parking lot sale, I believe. So don't get it try not to get it at $199. If you need it, get it, but wait for a parking lot sale. 26 by 22 single bank extra deep cabinets, $279. Got the 44 by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets. This actually went on sale for $399 on the previous parking lot sales. Just to let you know, like I said, subscribe, make sure you stay tuned for all those sales. 56 22 double bank extra deep cabinet, 60 or $679. Got the 72, this is the bigger one. 72 by 22 triple bank extra deep cabinet, just under $1,000. This is definitely, all these boxes are definitely worth it, especially for somebody that's starting out as a technician, somebody that doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money, and it is a DIY. You want to just have a toolbox at home. You got the click torque wrench, $11.99. 13 piece half an inch drive. These are great, guys. Definitely recommend it. Got the 225 piece mechanics tool set, $99.99. Anything with the Braun name, it's a great light. Especially this one. This one's a really great value. I mean, it is worth it at $26.99. However, we've seen this for $19.99. We've seen this for $24.99, I believe. The lower prices. But yeah, this is definitely worth it. This is a great light too. I do have it. I do have the video on my channel on both of these. You got the 12 volt lithium cordless extreme torque ratcheting kit for $99.99. This went on sale on the parking lot sale. This is the cordless 3/8 extreme torque impact wrench kit, $129. These are great, guys. The only thing that's bad about these is that there's only a few tools available. But if this is all you need a 3/8, half an inch, and maybe some maybe these tools are the only ones you guys need. These are definitely a great value, a great choice for the professional, even for the DIY. But this is definitely gonna help you out a lot. If you're doing a lot of work and not spending a whole lot of money too. $229.99 for this one's a great deal. This is a professional grade tool. There's a lot of good reviews out there. It does have 5 stars. Same thing with this one's a professional level tools. So definitely recommend that for you. There's a beast there. You got the polisher sander, $29.99, the really basic one. You got the dual action, the better one, for $59.99. Then you got the 12 volt handheld, which takes the same battery as this one. That's $89.99. You get the compressor there, 20 gallon, $174.99. It's a great gun. Basically, it's a little disposable gun, but you can clean it up and reuse it again. 3/8 by 50 feet retractable air hose reel, $59.99, 12 half an inch. Composite extreme torque impact wrench, $109. Me personally, I do like pneumatic, but now with all these battery operated tools, you don't need a pneumatic anymore. I hardly use my compressor. I just don't use it at all. Better titanium, best Vulcan. So these are great, guys. If you're professional, consider Vulcan. Even for titanium, you should consider one of these two. Titanium is better for, I would say, as a prosumer, like I said, professional light duty type of thing. Definitely recommend that. Even if you're a DIY, if you can afford something like this, I would go titanium. You got the blue design auto darkening welding helmet, $39.99. Got the 2-pound flux core welding wire, $59.99. $15.99. MIG Flex welding cart, $29.99. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you can't find a store that's open, you can always have all these items work online and have the items shipped to your home so you can avoid the crowds. But if you want to have a store available, feel free to go in. Make sure you call first and see if that store is open or is not affected by the current coronavirus. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.